Now here's a pretty rare 2002 Pontiac. This particular model is the Trans Am Firehawk Convertible in pewter metallic. The number breakdown on these, first of all, 2002 was the last year that Firehawk converted the Pontiacs over, and there was a total of 345 made this year. This was the last year of it. Of those 345, 14 of them were convertible pewter metallic cars. Of that 14, 5 of them were made with an automatic, which this car has in it, and 9 were with a manual. So it's basically 1 of 5 with an automatic transmission in pewter metallic. Of the whole run, it's 1 of 345. So pretty rare car, a little over 60,000 miles in this car. Extremely clean, extremely well taken care of car. Like I said, it's in pewter metallic. As you can see, the paint in this car, very, very nice. This hood would have been one of the things that SLP changed and put on the composite hood with the heat extractors in it. You also see the little Firehawk badging up here. This particular one has a 17-inch chrome wheels with that same Firehawk badging center cap. And they massaged the engine in these. 345 horse is what this would have put out. They also put a high torque rear differential in them. You can check out the still pictures. In the still pictures, you'll see I have a shot of the Firehawk editions that were done on here. They were to the tune of about $6,300, if I remember right. And plus the base cost of this vehicle, this is about a $39,000 to $40,000 retail car new. But check out the still pictures. I got the original window sticker from the Trans Am Convertible, and then also the SLP things that they did when they made this a Firehawk. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, if you have any questions on this car, give us a call. Feel free to call 507-386-1726, and we'll sure answer any questions that you may have. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. As you can see, the 3-piece parade boot is intact. It does come with a carrying case that goes in the trunk. There's also a cover that'll be included in the trunk of this car. You can see it's not full of dings, scratches, nicks up and down the door. Very nice, well taken care of Firehawk here. Again, and check out the underside pictures. Very clean car underneath, engine bay. This car has not been driven in inclement weather, any sort of snow, salt, anything like that. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. And check out those underside pictures so you can see what I'm talking about. uniqueclassiccars.com. And check out the interior of this car. Extremely clean car on the inside also. As you can see, leather interior, bucket seats up front. Center console is shift. Again, come around here to where you can see where the seats wear. This one, very nice shape. Got to remember, the car does have a little over 60,000 miles on it, and it shows very, very well for that. Also, very nicely equipped car with power windows, locks, mirrors, steering wheel controls, equalizer, CD player. It does have a power top. The top goes up and down fine. You can check out the still pictures of the top on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up. They have a great sound to them. SLP also put a high performance stainless steel exhaust on it, which this has. And there you can see the miles, 63,803. Dash, everything. Very nice shape in this one. And slip around to the back seat here and run. Nice little rumble out of that. Firehawk there. Like I said, 345 horse is what they got the performance to this at. Let's slip around to the front. I'm going to pause this video a second so we can pop the hood and you check out the engine bay, see how nice and tidy that is, and check out that V8 power plant. Alright, here you go, 5.7 liter V8 underneath there. As you can see, nice and tidy. Just the way it would have left SLP. Strut tower brace. Mobile 1 synthetic lubricants to be used. Just nice and tidy. Like I said, well taken care of car. All considering an 02, this is just about a $40,000 car. They were typically adult owned and driven and taken care of for that kind of money. Once again, 2002 computer metallic Pontiac Trans Am Firehawk Convertible. 1 of 5 with an automatic just like this. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. We can be reached at uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. We consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.